Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to point out some common errors in a side angle pose and also tell you how to fix them. So your first error in a side angle is your knee going past the ankle in your front foot. So I see this when people bend too far into the knee and the knee starts to go kind of over closer to the toes instead of behind or right above the ankle. The reason why we want to avoid this is because that shifts the weight into the knee and takes it out of the hips. We want to focus on building strength in the hips here. So if we're sinking too far forward, then that's going to shift the weight into the knee. This could be caused due to sinking too far into the knee if our core is inactive, right? So if we're kind of getting relaxed through our upper body and just sinking, and not thinking squeezing in toward the middle, that can cause us to lean too far forward. The other thing that tends to happen is maybe you straighten the leg. So maybe instead of bringing the knee further more and bending the knee more, you could be straightening the leg to make it easier so you don't have to do as much work to hold up your body weight. So that's another error that you want to avoid. Second error that you want to avoid is moving your butt backwards behind you while you're in the lunge, not keeping your hips squared between your feet. So this usually looks like this, right? The butt starts to poke out behind you, your chest arches, your lower back goes into extension, which means that your lower back is arching as well. And that means that you're not getting good engagement through your hips. So you want to make sure that you're keeping your hips between your feet, right? So my hips are right in the center of my feet, and I'm keeping my hips right under, or keeping my hips mostly squared to the outside, not directly facing to the outside, but mostly facing to the outside. And then the other error that I see a lot of is not keeping the side of your body straight. So I see people kind of rounding through the side of their body or going into some flexion in the side of their body, and their ribs start to poke out. And this is good because we're getting a stretch, but actually what you want to do here is keep a nice straight line in your side body, and that's going to help you develop core strength and shift the focus more to your hip, less in your torso. So those are the main errors that you should be avoiding when it comes to side angle, and the ones that I see the most of. For more information on this pose, make sure to head to the link in the description below. You'll get benefits, a full pose technique walkthrough, common errors to avoid, modifications if you can't quite do it, and get some FAQs answered. All of the information I just gave you was taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men. It was a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, featured in Muscle and Fitness magazine, and also in Men's Health online. It's available all over the world, in stores and online. Make sure to check that out. And also, look at the rest of this page. We've got a full pose walkthrough, benefits, modifications if you can't quite do the posture yet, common errors to avoid, and also some answers to common frequently asked questions. And if you're not already on my members area or using one of my programs, make sure to check out the rest of the training resources on this website. There's tons of stuff here to help you learn yoga and also see and experience the benefits of yoga, help you get stronger, improve your mobility, and much, much more. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you use this pose guide and it's useful for you. And I'll see you on the next video.